Piriformis pain relief exercise routine for sciatica and piriformis syndrome. When the piriformis muscle is activated, tender, or inflamed, it can affect and irritate the sciatic nerve and cause buttock pain and also leg pain like sciatica. These exercises will help with the relief of piriformis muscle pain and sciatica. The first exercise here is a standing hip mobility exercise. You need a chair, a yoga block, and a broomstick. Lunge on the yoga block as you see in the video and lean forward and then rotate your torso, your rib cage, using that broomstick. Rotate towards the side of your leg that's on the yoga block. Get a nice rotation into that hip, into your lower back, and helping stretch that piriformis area and the gluteal area. Do that 5 to 10 times and also do it both sides, even the non-affected side. Here is a gluteal and piriformis stretch in the seated position. With one leg and foot behind you, put the foot over the other knee and then pull towards you as you see. Pull your knee towards your chest. That will get a nice stretch in that gluteal muscle area and also the piriformis area. With all stretches, hold them for 10 seconds and repeat them 3 times, and even repeat the opposite side. Pull towards your chest, get a nice stretch along your thigh, gluteal area, and piriformis. A great stretch for the piriformis. Again, you switch sides because even if it's a non-affected side, you want to make sure things are balanced out and equally mobile and stretched out. This is the gluteal and piriformis stretch. A great stretch for the gluteal area and the piriformis. Help relieve tension on the piriformis. When there's relief of tension on the piriformis, there's also relief of tension on the sciatic nerve and help reduce those leg pain symptoms. This is a hip internal and external rotation, also called the windshield wipers exercise. Lie on your stomach, on the bed, or on the floor, and essentially rotate your feet, which moves your hips one way and then the other. So you're externally and internally rotating the hips, getting some nice mobility. Hip mobility is very important for the piriformis because the more mobile your hip is, the less irritation it'll have on the actual piriformis. So stretching is good, which you're getting in this video, and also mobility work help loosen up that piriformis area and relieve tension on the sciatic nerve. Keep watching for more piriformis pain relief exercises in this video. Keep on watching. The next one is a seated piriformis stretch. You're going to cross your leg into a figure 4 position, press down on your knee that's crossed, and then lean forward and get a nice stretch into the piriformis muscle. With all these stretches, hold them for 10 seconds, no bouncing, no jerking, just hold the stretch and repeat it 3 times. Be sure to also do the opposite side, the unaffected side. Again, press down the knee so you get a nice stretch, externally rotating that hip, stretching that piriformis, leaning forward to accentuate that stretch even more. This is a standing piriformis stretch. It's also very effective. Now I'm doing it freestanding, which helps with balancing and proprioception, which is great for the joints as well. But do use a chair or a wall for support. Okay, do use a chair or wall for support. Cross your knee and leg over the other knee in a figure 4 position, and then press down on that crossed knee, and as you do that, you're squatting into the position and leaning forward. Hold the stretch for 10 seconds, repeat it 3 times, and repeat also the unaffected side. Gives you a nice release and relief in the piriformis muscle, helping with piriformis syndrome and sciatica nerve pain relief. Again, do use a wall or chair for support. Here's the classic supine piriformis stretch. Lie on your back, do the figure 4 position, cross your knee and foot over the other leg, and then pull the leg to stretch the piriformis, as you see in the video. Hold that stretch for 10 seconds, repeat it 3 times. Pull back as far as you can. The more you do these stretches, the more released the piriformis will get, the more flexible it becomes, the less tension on the sciatic nerve. Always remember to externally rotate that figure 4 bent knee, just like this. Rotate it, push it down with your hand to your abilities and tolerance, and then pull back. Use the other knee as a lever to pull back and stretch that piriformis muscle. Externally rotate, and then pull back to stretch the piriformis muscle. By doing these mobility and stretches can really help relieve that gluteal hip pain related to piriformis syndrome. This is clamshell, another mobility exercise. where you're lying and you're lying on your side. Put your knees bent together and externally rotate the top leg maximally to your ability to get some range of motion effect on that hip. The more mobile the hip is, the less tension on the piriformis muscle and the more relief you get if there's any compression on that sciatic nerve giving leg pain. Again, do repeat the opposite side. Even though it's unaffected, you always want to do these exercises on both sides. Like this, you get equal effect of your joints and muscles, and the exercise become symmetrical. You can do this 10 times on each side. Very effective in getting that mobility into the hip, relieving the pressure and tension on the sciatic nerve, and getting some good mobilization into those hips and gluteal areas. And remember that this channel is supported by subscribers. Do like the video and subscribe for more content like this.